Hey, welcome to Sean's RC Adventures. So here we are. We're gonna solder in the 17.5 turn motor that I had. Because they're gonna be my daughter's buggy, and I stole the 21.5 out of it. But I just got back from Lowe's, and I got some silver bearing acid core solder. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. Turn my little cheap soldering iron up. Yeah, although there maybe 720 will do. Yep. Here we go. Stupid fly. Hate flies. Make sure I got the ABC. Right. I can't zoom in. Sorry, guys. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. She's a smoking now. All right. Steel wool. I need some wick. Yeah. Definitely there's too much in there. We go. definitely, I don't think this is the right kind of solder to be using, but it's on there. Well, guys, this little solder cost me like $9. It came with a reel of some solder, and I got 3 other tips to go with it. And when I bought it, I was out of work, and you know, if you're good at soldering and stuff, you don't necessarily need the expensive stuff. But I'm telling you what, I used one of my buddy's soldering irons yesterday. I think it was the Protect brand. Man, that thing heated up to whatever temp setting he had. I think it was like 749 he had it set at. It was hot within like at probably in a minute. It was, you know, I would say a minute at the most. Let me unplug that because safety first. Yeah, I don't know. It says for metal work, so we'll see if that works. That's the closest thing Lowe's had. It wasn't for plumbing, so we'll see. And put that aside. What else? Oh, I need to find a spur gear, or I mean a pinion, or whatever it is. I'll go with a 25. There's a set screw. Set screws in now. Yeah, so I bought these MIP tools from a gentleman off of a marketplace, and I wish I knew his name off the top of my head, because he's got like a whole hobby room full of stuff that he's selling. He's dealing with some medical issues and has to move, but I mean, boy, he's got a lot of RC stuff, and it's just too bad I can't remember his name or anything like that. But what I'll do is I'll take a screenshot of his name from Messenger, and I'll put it in this video. So let's get that set. There's one hole. Where's me a little screw? I spy. Read that one. A bit too long. Too long. It's just a little longer than I like. Oop, what about these guys right here? Right there. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. A 2. I got a 2, a 3, and a 1.5. And thought I got a 2.5. What? Another one of those little guys. Right there. Oh, and it's magnetized too. So that's cool. That's cool. We should just cut that whole thing out of there. Okay, that's it. That's it. Why am I having such a hard time? There we go. Not even it. Man. I can't see shit. There we go. Okay, I found it now. I found the hole, boys. Way off. I'm just checking the mesh of the gears, making sure they ain't butt cheek tight. That's almost too loose though. Yeah, it's a little too loose for me. I'm happy with that. What's up, girl? What do you guys want? Huh? What do you want? Oh, you want to say hi? Oh, you want to say hi? What? What's the matter? You guys want to watch TV or something? Huh? Alright, so that's it for the Losi 22.5. She's all set. Let me grab that dude's name just so you guys can hit him up. He could probably use some help if anybody out there is watching this and is into the vintage stuff. He's selling, so just hit him up on Facebook.